One, if you want to optimize your Windows settings for the best experience on your monitor, this guide is for you. First, enable game mode in Windows. You can do this by heading over to the settings, then gaming, and toggle game mode on. This will prioritize gaming performance by minimizing background tasks. Next, go to display settings and set your resolution to match your monitor's native resolution. For refresh rate, go to advanced display settings and ensure your monitor is set to its highest refresh rate for smooth visuals. In the same gaming settings, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling to reduce latency and improve performance, especially for graphically intense games. Now make sure your GPU drivers are up to date by heading over to the NVIDIA or AMD website to download the latest drivers for optimal performance. Finally, disable full screen optimization for individual games by right-click on the games.exe file, go to the properties and check the box to disable full screen optimizations under the compatibility tab. These are the best Windows settings for gaming on a monitor. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.